A very good afternoon, my dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the poem, The Squirrel, and in the previous classes, we have discussed about the lesson, the beautiful lesson, the 3 questions. So today, the time is to revise all those things. Why? Because this is the revision for you and this is very helpful for your upcoming test. So now, let's start discussing about the question and answer. First listen the 3 questions. Why did the king want to know answers to the 3 questions? Why means the king wanted to know the answer for his 3 questions. Why? Because to be a successful ruler. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. The options are given here: to fetch wise men, to find answers to the questions, to look for the wise hermit, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. See, the answer is to find answers to the questions. Here only 2 questions are there. So now next main, complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. Here, many wise men answered the king's questions, but their answers were right that the king was not satisfied. Next, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Next, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Next, those who have missed these answers, just write it down. The king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding could not stop. See, here, why was the king advised to go to the magicians? Why? Because the king wanted to know about his future and know what is right and what is wrong. So the advice of the counselors and that wise men that the king better to go to the magician to get the proper answer for his questions. This was the opinion of the wise men. So to predict about the future, only it is possible from the magicians. So the wise men advised the king to go to the magician. Next, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Many wise men said that the advice of the doctor was good, and advice of the priest, and some said that advice of the counselors. So, do you think that the advice of a priest, doctor, counselors that helped the king to get the answer? No, not at all. Next, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question? For the third question, some people said that science was the most important thing to do. Some said that the fighting was good, and some said that the religious, like the following of a religion harmonies. So what many wise men had given the different answers. Religious worships are good according to some counselors and wise men. Did the wise men did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? Now you tell me, did that wise man on any reward? No. Why? Because why means the king was not at all satisfied with the answers of the wise man. The answers which he was expecting from wise men, he did not get any kind of answers according to his expectations from the wise men. So the wise men did not get any reward. So for this reason. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? When the bearded man came with the wounds, what this king and hermit did, king washed all his that blood, and what he did, he dressed it up and brought, and he had given a glass of water to that bearded man to get to drink and get well soon. And the hermit and this king holded his shoulders and helped him to lay on a bed and to take rest, and allowed that bearded man to spend a whole night in their hut. Who was the bearded man? Actually, the bearded man was a enemy of the king. Why? Because he wanted to take revenge on the king. Why? Because king has taken the property, the king has seized the property of the bearded man, and he killed his brothers. Okay. So the king, what he did, he seized the property of the bearded man and killed his brothers. So to take revenge, the bearded man wanted to kill the king. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Why? Because he wanted to kill the king, but unfortunately what happened? The king saved the bearded man's life. So now the king, for the next question, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king forgave the bearded man. How means he was ready to send his servants and a doctor to look after the bearded man, and he promised the bearded man that, who promised here? The king promised to bearded man that to give back all his property which he was seized. What were the hermit's answers to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like the most and why? What were the hermit's answer to the three questions? The first question was that what is the right time to begin something? So that the doing of right thing does not decided before only. So whatever the situation may be, circumstance may be, if that work is to be done by ourselves, we should be ready, and some other else will not take decision about that particular situation. If that work is to be done by myself, that I have to do it. Means if there is an urgent need of some help, or the needy people want any kind of help, so what we have to do, we should not think of whether it is right time or no, whether it is it will cause profit or loss to me. We should not think all those things. But if the work is to be done, if the help is to be done, that we should be ready. That is the right time to begin the something. This was the answer of the hermit to the question of the king. So next, for the second question, to whom he should listen. Before taking the opinions of the others, we should be ready with our decisions, opinions. So we should analyze that which one is good and which one is bad, and which one is right and which one is wrong. So if we know about that pros and cons of that particular work, then definitely we can get a success in our work. So we should take decision. Next, third one, what is the important thing? Here the important thing was to help that bearded man. If the king would not help that bearded man, that obviously that what happened? The bearded man would have died. So there the important business was to help that bearded man. So these all the answers answered to the king by the hermit. Which answer do you like? I like third answer. Next, the match the following are there. First one, wounded. What is the meaning of wounded? Severely injured. Next, awoke. See the match the following. Just you write it down. mark it. Here, first one, wounded, severely injured. Second, awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Beds, small patches of ground for plants. Return, give back. Next, just go through this second question number 2. Each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the word given in the brackets. Okay. First, the judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. I didn't notice any series of different opinion among the debaters, although they differed from one another. Next, one another over small points. It's fairly simple question to answer, but will accept my answer as final. It isn't necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. First, fill up necessary. Second, necessity. Next, fifth one. Hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. Sixth one. The committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Next, asking for forgiveness is as noble as willing to forgive. These are everything about this fill-ups. Next, thing. So just now whatever we have discussed, this is all about the question and answers of the lesson, the 3 questions. So now next, the poem, The Squirrel. Just go through the poem and memorize that poem, and that poem is for your test. So then, and go through that question and answers and new words, and be ready for your test. And I hope that question and answers of the squirrel is easy. I have already discussed in last class about the question and answers of the squirrel. So just go through that video and be prepared for your test. Yeah. But the one thing that you should do is that read the lesson correctly and memorize the poem. Okay. Do well. All the best and thank you.